Animals without backbones make up 97% of all life on the planet. Things like worms, crabs, beetles, sponges. They're the little things that make the world go round, and there are thousands of them here in this collection at the Museum of Natural Sciences. And today we're putting one of them, this 4-inch spoonworm, under the scope. The spoonworm, or Echierid, is so called for its spoon-like proboscis. The worm uses it to bring organic matter or detritus to its mouth, which is located at the base of the proboscis. Spoonworms live almost exclusively in the Atlantic Ocean, which is where museum curator Bronwyn Williams found this one.
This was a really exciting find. So it uses its proboscis to actually move across the substrate by extending it, kind of grasping hold of something and then pulling and dragging itself. And you can actually see a little bit of mucus hanging off that, so it uses that mucus to trap the detritus to basically, yeah, it's sort of like a sticky trap.
Here's another weird thing about spoonworms. A larger species known as the innkeeper spoonworm are a delicacy in South Korea. It's most often eaten raw and can be sweet and chewy. Like all invertebrates, spoonworms are a valuable nutrient recycler and good eating for lots of species. They're also surprisingly elegant.
This is just amazing to watch. There's a lot about nature that blows my mind.